We look out from here at night to this back fence. So I'm going to put one second panel, fourth panel, sixth panel, and eighth panel. We can't really see way down there, so every 2 panels I'm going to put one. Here's what it looks like before. I'll try to get one at dusk before they turn on. Simple instructions. You have a screw and a plastic lug if you want it. I'm putting mine right into wood. So you mark a location and drill the screw in, or drill a hole, put the plastic lug, and then put the screw in. And this little thing just snaps on top of the screw head. It's a little slotted area. Troubleshooting, if it doesn't turn on, check the battery. You can open up the battery with some screws. There's a rechargeable battery from the little solar panel. There's an on-off switch. So if you're just putting them out in the yard like I am, it'll always be on. I try to run it every time at night. And it takes NiCad AA 1.2 volt batteries that are rechargeable. Okay, and it's got 1-year warranty, limited warranty on it. Okay, let's go install them. There's 4 of these units. You can see how big they are, a couple, 3-4 inches across. They've been sitting in the sun all day. I'm going to go take them in a dark area and see if they charged up. Okay, if you hold your hand over the solar charger, it turns on. Got one installed there, and then down. A couple more.